Hello classer, welcome back to our channel, and first off, big thanks you for supporting. You find the base link in the description. In today's video I am sharing the TH17 base which are specially crafted for Legend League and War. All these bases are built to counter the current meta strategy of a Root Rider spam, RC Walk, Fireball and the Hydra clone. Please like for such interesting video, and if you are new here, please subscribe our channel. Let's start with the base number 1.
Here we go.